There it goes. That's the Neptune boat from Harbor Freight in a bigger water. Yeah. Yeah.
I got a problem. It won't back up.
Oh, it's stuck again. It's stuck again. It gets stuck a lot. I gotta get pictures of this too, so there
I
won't.
think it's sticking to push it if I was you.
Yes, I can't find the stick. So now I got to follow him.
That was Mommy.
What?
Hi.
Yeah, both of them.
Gotcha.
Why you keep getting mixed up?
You turn the other way.
Get another bread from the break.
Yeah, it does that.
Yeah.
Just wait a minute, it'll move.
It'll move in a minute, watch. It will. Just watch.
That one won't go backwards. It's a break.
It won't go backwards.
I got it unstuck, don't worry.
You got it unstuck, see?
I don't want it broke, Crystal. Here you go.
There you go. There it is. It's stuck on this side.
I'm
You have
on
to
the floor now.
come across the bridge.
I didn't fit those two ways.
You have to come across the bridge. I am on the bridge. Over here at, I don't know what this is called. Lincoln Park or
I
something.
could fall in.
Oh, Crystal Park.
It's called Crystal Park. Okay. Be careful, be careful.
Yeah, because I could fall in.
Push. Let's go. There we go. Folks, it's still stuck. Oh yeah, the sun's coming back out now. Yay, you guys can see it better. I know that darkness. There it goes. Oh no, no. Come on.
Come on, Dad. Yeah, come on, Dad.
There it goes. Neptune.
No, I ain't got to push that hard. I ain't got to push that hard. You can control it. Didn't you know that?
That's Neptune. That's the name of that boat. Got stuck again in all this water here. It goes all the way
You
to...
gonna drive it or not?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Well, because I'm going to go home here because this heat's killing me.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think I stopped for since I heard it hit?
Okay.